Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. So this is going to be the first video in this channel, so I hope you guys will enjoy this. So today I have purchased a digital notebook. So you can say it's a rewritable LCD notebook from Portronics. This is the model name is Portronics Ruffpad X5. So it's a 15-inch rewritable LCD. So let's open this. I hope this will be an interesting gadget. Yeah, wow. It looks really cool, very clean, I would say. Yeah, so this is a pen and this is the notebook. Let's just unwrap this. It's a gray color. As you can see at the back, there's this Portronics logo, and here there's a lock switch, and this is the battery compartment. Yeah. So yeah, let's write something. Yeah, hope you guys can see this. I'm writing. So wow, writing is quite good, I would say. I'm not sure if you guys can see it properly in the camera, but it's pretty much good. It's clear, and the most important part is very smooth, and you'll just feel like you're writing on a paper with a pencil or something. So it has a traction for it, which is good. Now this button is for like deleting everything, so clearing the whole screen. So I'm just clicking on it. I guess it is locked somehow. Maybe battery is not here, so I have to check it for that. So as you can see, I'm able to write anything and sign, just do it, and if I click this button, it clears everything. So there is no partial cleaning option, so it's just like you have to clean everything at once. But it would be great if they would have given this partial erasing option, but unfortunately they didn't. But however, it is good for any rough notes and something like that. So I have specially bought this for my office notes. Sometimes I need to write down some rough notes or need to utilize for some rough diagrams, drawing out something like that, or rough calculation. So I'll use this for that purpose. But this is good for everyone. I mean, if you have a child in your home who wants to scribble something in his off time, so children can easily use that thing, as well as adults can also use it for taking notes and anything. So what you can do, maybe you can write down some notes and you can take a snap of that before erasing it, and by that it will save your papers, and you don't require any pens or something, and yeah, you are good to go. So hope you like this video, and if you guys want to see this type of videos more in future, then please like this and share this. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.